Okay, so today starts your real e-learning adventure, boys and girls. Your parents should have found for you on your Edsby page a little outline for the whole week. We tried to put the reading, writing, math, science, and social studies all together on one sheet for you so that you can read quickly. It's kind of like your homework page. Okay, so Maddox is in the background here, guys. Sorry. This e-learning with kids is so fun, isn't it, guys? So it tells you what we're learning for the week. So your I can, which is normally on the board, right? So this week for reading, it says I can find the main idea of a nonfiction text. Maddox, shh. So for Monday, you were supposed to go on Mayan and read A Turtle's Life Cycle. Okay, so you read the whole book on Monday. And after you've read the whole book, you think about what the entire book was about, okay? So I'm just going to show you my journal. And I just put this here, guys, so that you can pause the video at any time if you want to catch up to me. Okay, so this is Monday. Now, I just have a notebook that says reading, writing. Remember, Miss Geider's going to give you a whole bunch of videos on reading and writing. You can watch the videos for math and science from Miss Ricardo. She's going to do those. I'm going to do reading because we're going to work together. Okay, the kids know that in class we work together all the time. Okay, Miss Ricardo's really good at doing math and science. I'm really good at doing reading and writing. So why not work together, right? So for Monday, I'm going to start in my little reading tab here. And I made a mistake. So guys, if you mess up, it's fine. Just turn the page, cross it off. So you're going to start here by always putting the title at the top. Okay, because you're going to be sending us pictures, this will make it much easier for us to find what you're talking about, what writing this is, and then always put the date. Okay, you are pretty much used to that, but sometimes you forget, and I really need to know your date. You know what else would be helpful too? If you write your name at the top, and I'm actually going to write it kind of big so that before I open the picture, I can see whose this is right away. Okay? So that's going to be what you're going to do for each little part here. Now, I put the page numbers here. So for Monday, it told you to read the whole book. So that's why I put pages 4 through 21. Now, this is on Mayan. So kids, you know how to get on Mayan. And if you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you can turn the reading off so that it doesn't read to you, or you can keep it on if you want the book to read to you. It's fine. You're going to read this book a few times, so maybe the first time you can have it read to you, the second time you can turn it off, that kind of thing. Challenge yourself, okay? This book is a good on-level second grade book. Monday it says, in your journal, write a sentence about the main topic of A Turtle's Life. Explain how you know that this was the topic, okay? So I just restated my question. The main topic of A Turtle's Life Cycle is, remember guys, you don't have to write the lines. I just put those so that you know that you have to fill in something here, okay? I'm not going to model that for you because I don't want to tell you the answer. That would be cheating. So you're going to tell me the main topic of A Turtle's Life Cycle. So what is it mostly about? The whole book, what is it about? Okay? And how do you know that? What did the author tell you? Remember, you can always find the main idea maybe from the title or from the first sentence or from the last sentence. A lot of times they say that in the very first page, okay? So think about what the whole book is about, okay? And then as you continue on through the week, it's going to ask you a question about a different heading. So Tuesday's section, they just want you to go back through pages 4 through 9 and read about turtle eggs. That's all you're rereading. So this is the part where I told you maybe you could read this on your own instead of having Mayan read it to you. Okay? So you're going to say this section was mostly about and 3 things that you learned. Okay? Any facts. So I just wrote, I learned that blank, blank, and blank. Okay? Using that comma there when you're separating thoughts. Okay? Wednesday, you are talking about hatchlings. What was it mostly about? And just to make it a little bit different, I just made a list, 3 things I learned with our ellipses, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you could just tell me 3 things you learned there. Okay, now that filled up my whole first page. Remember, try to use as much space as you can. You're staying on the lines. This is something a lot of kids are working on, staying on the lines, making it nice and neat. Okay. And if you run out of room, that's okay. I turned the page, and then you will see that I just wrote the starting of each question for you. Okay, this was the continuation. That's why I wrote continued from Wednesday. Here's Thursday. And then Friday, they're asking you to draw a life cycle diagram. This is kind of where we're connecting science with reading and writing. We're doing all those things together. So you can just draw the diagram here. Guys, remember the labels, remember the illustrations, the title. All those text features are things that we've learned already. Okay, so this is kind of how you want your notebook set up. If you want to, at the end of the week, this is going to be another one of your grades. If you want to just send us a picture of one page, if you write 2 or 3, that's fine. Pick your favorite. Pick the one that you worked the hardest on. You don't have to send us all of the pages. Just pick one so that we can read it and give you some suggestions. Okay? Any questions, please let us know. We are here to help you.